Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in the incredible Olympia, where the birthplace of the Olympics. And I'm going to take you, I only have 2 hours, so I'm going to show you what you can do in 2 hours to see this site. I've been here before, so I know the famous landmarks that I want to share with you. And come along and join me. It's going to be fast, to the point, and you're going to learn a lot. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm in the Palaestra. Well, this is really a great place to start. You've got, it's surrounded by Doric columns, you can see, and this is where they train for the Olympics. Sorry, it's high noon, so a lot of strong sun here, but just to give you an idea of these Doric columns here. Classic Greek architecture. So this is a very place to wander. There always is options for shade here. You can find trees. Well, that's kind of good. Just to let you know a little bit of background about the Olympics. They started in the 8th century BC until about the 4th century AC. So over 1,000 years. They were every 4 years to celebrate peace and healthy competition. The winner only won an olive branch, okay? Being a symbol of peace, during the time of the Olympics, all wars stopped. And this was a big deal back in those days. So it was a very peaceful time, communal time, when everyone came together and celebrated peace and healthy competition and sport. So, there's a lot of positive symbolism. Really, all there is now is this, but you can imagine this was the stadium for about 40,000 spectators for sports such as chariot racing and running and all kinds of sports here. So a lot of people like to run the field. I'm going to not do that in the heat, but there you go, the stadium. Now, besides being the birthplace of the Olympics, this was also the most famous sanctuary and altar for Zeus, the father of all the 12 Olympian gods. So this was a place of pilgrimage for the Greeks for thousands of years. So we'll also be visiting the sanctuary of Zeus and Hera, his consort. So keep in mind that, yeah, it was a religious sanctuary as well as a place of the Olympics. So I'm standing right in front of the Temple of Zeus. There's just one Doric temple remaining, but this used to be a very famous site for pilgrimage to honor Zeus, the king of the gods. So they've got one large column, larger than life, just like Zeus. This is the famous temple for Hera, the consort of Zeus. Got 3 large Doric columns there. Wanted to mention about the trees here. If you have any flexibility to be here in April, that is the best month. Check out my travel blog. It has pictures of when I was here 10 years ago, and the Judith trees are blooming in this vibrant purplish pink. It's amazing to have that adjacent to the ruins. So, April is the best time, bottom line. So I believe this is a Judith tree right here, but they're all over here. of the exit of the archaeological site, there is the Archaeological Museum, and that's where I'm going, which I'm very excited because last time I didn't go. And I've since then learned that it's one of the most amazing archaeological museums outside of Athens. So let's go take a look. And there's some famous statues I want to be sure and see and share with you. So, walk in there. Thank you so much for joining me today. It has been an incredible kind of whirlwind trip, but it was so nice to see these sites again and share it with you. I truly think this is one of the most amazing archaeological sites in the world.